Join me as I dive into the world of fighter jets and challenge myself to uncover the secrets behind the deadliest machines in the sky. When we think of modern warfare, fighter jets are often the first thing that comes to mind. These sleek, powerful machines have become the epitome of military power and sophistication, with the ability to dominate the skies and turn the tide of battle in an instant. But what makes a fighter jet truly deadly? Is it its speed, its maneuverability, or its firepower? In this video, we're going to jets. But what really sets it apart is its advanced avionics and sensor systems, which allow it to detect and track targets from miles away, making it a formidable opponent in the skies.